Hello,
Hello, teacher.
welcome to our speaking test for today. My name is Miss Abby. What's your name?
My name is Lucy.
Lucy. How do you spell your name?
Lucy.
How are you? How are you? Are you happy?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
What's your favorite toy? What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is
What's your favorite toy? Is it doll, ball?
dog.
Okay. Do you like dog? Yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
How many rooms are there in your house? 4,
Four.
5?
For
4 rooms? Okay. What's in your living room?
one living room.
What's in your living room? Do you have a TV, a sofa?
TV.
Okay. What can you do? Can you play the piano?
Yes, I do.
Okay. How many girls are there in the picture? How many girls?
Children.
What color is the bike?
Two.
What color is the bike? Is it blue or red?
Red.
How many kites are there?
Two.
How many apples are there?
5 apple.
Can you see the dog?
1 dog.
Okay, which is the plane? Put the plane on the sky. Okay, which is the snake? Put the snake on the tree. All right, what is this?
Onion.
What's your favorite vegetable? My
My
favorite.
vegetable is orange.
Okay, what is this?
Bedroom.
What's in the bedroom?
1 bedroom.
Okay, that's the end of the test. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.